Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sneha Sawan and I make manifestation technique videos. Today I am going a little out of the it is not overall out of the topic of law of attraction and manifestation. What topic I have chosen for today's video is really very important, and it is actually connected to manifestation and law of attraction, because this thing actually affects your manifestation when you are trying to manifest something. Okay, so what is this is gaslighting, guys. This I have taken this topic gaslighting because it is actually affecting some of my clients' manifestation, especially when they are trying to manifest their ex back or their husbands who have left them. Okay, this is especially for women, and there are men also who are actually victim of gaslighting. What is this gaslighting? If you google this, you will get all the information, but I have collected the main points and I am going to talk about this with you. I want to share this information, that what is actually gaslighting and how it is actually affecting your manifestation again. Yes, so what is gaslighting? I have made notes so that I should not forget any point which is important for you. What is gaslighting? Yeah, guys, do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon of my channel, because I am actually picking the very deepest thing which is actually affecting your manifestation and which is actually hindering any kind of desire you actually want to manifest in your life. Okay, obviously you want everything, so we need to go in that depth, that what is exactly affecting any of your desire to become your reality in this 3D world. Yes, what is gaslighting? Emotional abuse that seems in abusive relationship. I have made short points. So see, this actually affects many of the people who are actually in a relationship, and an abusive relationship, I can say. Emotional abuse, this is okay. It is the act of manipulating other to question the thoughts and their memories and their perception. Okay, what does it mean? Suppose I am giving you an example. You don't like something which your partner did. It is especially for the relationships, and they make you feel more bad about it. They make you feel more bad that no, you are wrong. I have not done this. I am not sorry, and I don't care if you feel bad about it. It is your fault. This is an example. If you are feeling that way, this is your fault. Or if they say that I did this because of you, because you were behaving certain way, so I did this. No, guys, it is gaslighting. If somebody does that to you and does not take responsibility, I repeat, if that somebody does not take responsibility of your hurt, whatever they have done to you, then that's gaslighting. That person is a gaslighter. That person wants to hide his or her mistake, and that person is actually going to put all the responsibility of their mistake on you, that it was your fault, this is why I did this. No, whatever a person is doing is their fault, is their upbringing, whatever they have seen since childhood, they are doing that. No matter it's your fault, no matter it's not your fault, if other person is doing something, it's their responsibility, it is not yours. Okay, so if they say that it was your fault, example, this is why I cheated on you, example, this happens with many of my clients who are actually trying to manifest their ex-husband back. At last they come to know that they had this a medical problem, this is why they left them. And at that time when they were leaving this person, they say that, you have this fault, your nature doesn't match with me, so I am actually leaving you. This is gaslighting. This is manipulating the other person to question their own perception, their thought. If you don't like something, when you say, this is another example. If you don't like something about your partner and you say, see, I am hurt, I don't like this, and they say that this is because you have done this, that is gaslighting. Okay, that is gaslighting. Not taking responsibility of your hurt is gaslighting. Also, there is a pain body video. I will put a card over here. What is pain body? When you feel hurt because of other person, this is pain body. Nobody is responsible for your hurt, but this is also true that if that person has done something which goes against your belief system and they say, I have done because you have done this, then that is gaslighting, to manipulate you to feel that you are wrong, to feel hurt. Okay, they have done something which is not acceptable, but they do not accept it. This is gaslighting. Okay, so the personality of a gaslighter, highly manipulative. They do not accept their mistake, but they know they have done this, okay, which was not acceptable, which can't be acceptable. Okay, never accept their excuses. They make excuses that yes, I have done this because you have done that. Okay, dominating, very dominating. They will, whatever they will say, you will feel that they are overpowering you with their belief system. They do not allow you to feel a certain way. That is dominating. Okay, now last point is when you catch that, okay, you have done this, okay, I don't like this, I am hurt, then they will try to hide their mistake in higher pitch. Yes, throwing higher pitch, tone, or a voice to confront. Okay, when you confront, they start confronting. Okay, no, you have done this, no, this is your mistake, this is why, again. So yes, this is gaslighting, and this happens with most of the women. I'm not saying this doesn't happen with men, but this happens mostly with women because they get more attached with men. Even they show a little affection that can be, fake also. You all, I don't know why you get attached. First of all, you need to, before getting into any kind of relationship, you need to question yourself, why I am with this person, and you need to observe that person's behavior, a man's behavior. Or this is for a man also. You need to observe anybody's behavior, a woman's behavior. Okay, mostly it happens with women, so I am taking this women, I am actually using this word women. Okay, so yes, if your man has cheated on you, I gave you this example previously, he may say it was your fault and can leave you for the next target. Can you imagine? Now they will gaslight that person. If your man and women, if your person, anyone says this, and how it affects, now we will come to this part, how it affects the manifestation. Now they have proven you, they have entered this thought in your belief system, okay, I have done something wrong, this is why this person left me. Okay, now this is inside your memory, inside your DNA, everywhere it is flowing in your body, that I have done something wrong, this is why this person left me. Okay, now you're chanting it like affirmation, but still you want to manifest this person, you try to manifest this person, but and you are guys practicing all kind of manifestation techniques, but since you have chanted so many times that I have been left because I have done something wrong, this is why that person left me and did something wrong. You are chanting this affirmation. Now this is a contradictory thought. This is an opposite thought, doesn't match with your desire, and this is why it is not fit in your subconscious mind. It has not gone in your subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is not getting reprogrammed again to believe that yes, your desire is yours, your person is yours, and it is affecting your manifestation. Okay, first of all, I want to clear, you do not need such kind of person. This is why I always tell my clients that they need to practice detachment. Because detachment, why detachment is necessary? Because if a person tries to gaslight you, you can take a big decision that okay, this person is manipulating my perception, my thoughts, this person is not needed in my life. If I can understand this person, then this person should have that guts to take the responsibility of understanding me, to take the responsibility of understanding me, that okay, I am hurt because of something this person has done. If I feel that okay, I have hurt that person should take the responsibility when this person hurts me, and I can clearly share this thing that yes, I am hurt, and I always do not be in that scarcity, or I should not be in fear that this person will leave me if I share my hurt with this person, that okay, you have hurt me. Okay, this person will understand. You need to manifest a new person if this person is a gaslighter. If this person doesn't take responsibility of the hurt this person has given you. Also, law of attraction is working for everyone. This person will get whatever this person has given to you, or any other person, or any other target of his or her. Okay, but still do not try to manifest a gaslighter, because they have entered in every cell of your body that you were at fault. This is why they have left you. So when you try to manifest them, this information will flow in your subconscious mind, because they have fitted successfully in your subconscious mind, because you feel that you have done something wrong, so they are angry on you. I hope I have made you clear that do not try to manifest a gaslighter. Or even if you want to manifest a gaslighter, yes, we can change the behavior of any person, but if we have full faith in this universe. If you are trying to manifest and you are not successful in believing that yes, this desire is mine, then try to manifest another person. This video is especially for people who are trying to manifest a gaslighter, for people who have less faith, who are new to law of attraction term, because law of attraction is working for everyone, but there are the number is very high, I feel, from my belief system, where people don't know about law of attraction, or some people or many people are new about law of attraction. Okay, so I hope I have made you clear in this video that what kind of person you need in your life and what kind of person you need to avoid in your life. Thank you so much.